Whatever you do, don't do this.
To fill your chainsaw, you will need bar oil and a mixture of gas and 2-cycle oil.
So when you use a chainsaw, you can't just go to the gas station and put straight gas in it. It's a 2-cycle engine, so you actually have to mix your gas and oil. Also, it's got 2 separate tanks for 2 different things going on.
With a chainsaw, you have 2 separate tanks. The front tank is for the oil. That lubricates the bar. The back tank is actually your gas, which uses a mixture of gas and 2-cycle oil, not bar oil. It's very important to understand that the bar oil goes in the front tank, not in the rear tank where the gas and 2-cycle oil mixture go.
Step 1, you want to clean the area around the bar oil cap and remove it. This model you can do by hand. If you have an older model, you need to do it with your multi-tool. Stick it in there to loosen it up to begin with. The next step is that we're going to take our bar oil and we're going to fill up our reservoir to just under so it doesn't overflow. We're going to replace the cap and tighten it by hand or with the multi-tool depending on what chainsaw you have.
Be sure to take your time and not spill any oil while filling the reservoir. Clean up any spills before replacing the cap. Step 3 is to clean thoroughly around the gas cap before opening. This will allow us to have a clean area when we fuel the chainsaw. Step 4 is to carefully add your fuel and oil mixture into the tank of the chainsaw, being careful not to overfill or to spill.
Now we are ready to start the chainsaw. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. For additional things DIY, check out our website at www.befreebenson.com. As always, doing things yourself allows you to save money and be free. See you in the next project.